Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning Surah Al-Maida, ayah number 68 and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل يا أهل الكتاب لستم على شيء. قل قاف is heavy for Dhamma circle ellipse attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. And while you are making qaf heavy, keep lam light. Qul ya, 4 counts long. مد مد متصل واجب, make it 4 counts long. Yeah, Hamza is sharp of a top on jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rokhawa, and rokhawa is flow of sound. Lal of a top on jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. E for kasra e sound, keep it light. Ta 2 counts long. B for kasra e sound, less. For fatha upon jaws attached with sin, sin will get sifa of raqawa and safir, and it is light. So there should be a whistle sound here too. Less tum for the circle ellipse attached with me, we will get sifa of tawassut and ruling it with ha. Ayn from your throat for fatha upon jaws. La 2 counts long. Shay. This is lean, yeah, lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. In the sifa is tawassut and ruling it with ha. Hat, ha from your throat for fatha upon jaws attached with ta. Ta will get sifa of shidda. Hatta, ta is 2 counts long. 2 for dhamma, circle your lips. When you are circling your lips, you are giving that zaman, you are giving that time to the to haraka, which it should get. If you are not circling it your lips well, you will make that haraka short, and that you have to give haqq of this dhamma by circling your lips and giving that required time to it. Two, qi, 2 counts long. Mut, for dhamma, circle your lips attached with ta. As you will touch ta, your lips should be in a straight position because there is no dhamma on ta. Tau, and this is lean, wow, lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Tau, ra. Ra is heavy because there is fatha on it. Whenever ra has fatha or dhamma, it is heavy, and here it is long too because this standing fatha is equal to alif. Ra, ta. Ta is short for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Well, for makhraj of waw, circle your lips. For fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. And Hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound. And here you are giving ikhfa. While you are making ikhfa, your tongue should be in a straight position because this ikhfa is light. And G is 2 counts long. La for fatha upon jaws. Wa makhraj of waw, circling your lips. Fatha upon jaws. Ma 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. For dhamma, circle your lips, and there is coming ikhfa. Ikhfa is light, so make this ikhfa is light, so make the your tongue straight. Z for kasra give e sound. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. E for kasra give e sound. Lay. This is yailin, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Kum idgham mutamasalain or idgham shafawi. Kum mir for kasra give e sound and then make a raw heavy. And whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. So here the ra is heavy. Mir, rab for fatha upon jaws attached with ba. As you will touch ba, ba will get shilfa of shidda. There is no flow of sound. Rabbi for kasra give e sound. Kum for dhamma, circle your lips attached with meme. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position and you will get the wasat. Wow, a circle, مخرج of wow, circling your lips. ففتح open your jaws, the sound is short. لا ففتح open jaws, the sound is short. Yeah, ففتح open your jaws, the sound is short. So all these three letters should be in one length, and that is short. ولا ولا Z, two counts long. Then ففتح open jaws, attach it. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha, the sound is short. Ka, kaf is without hums and it is light. Si, two counts long. Ram, whenever ra is fit, fatha or the might is heavy. So here ra is heavy and you are giving, making it calm. This is calm is with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ramin, for kasra give sound. Attach it. Noon will get sifa of gunna. No, sorry, sifa of tawassut. And ruling it with her. Min hum. For dhamma, circle is attached with meme. You will get sifa of gunna. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. This is إدغام الشفوي or إدغام متماثلين. ما مد منفصل جائز. For the circle lips, as you will touch noon, your lips should be in a straight position because إخفاء has no dam on it. And this إخفاء is light because za is among light letter. Z for kasra give E sound and za will get apostrophe too. Z, la for fatha open jaws. E for kasra give E sound. Lay. This is yailin, so make it soft and make it two counts long. Laika for fatha open jaws. Mir for kasra give E sound, attach it to ra. Ra will be heavy and it will get sip off the wasut first. Mir rab for fatha open jaws, attach it. Ba will get sip off shidda. Shidda means no flow of sound whatsoever. And for kasra, give E sound B. Ka for fatha open jaws. Oh, ta is heavy. For dhamma, circle lips, attach it to ghain. Ghain will get sifa of rakhawa and it is heavy. Oh, yeah, it's soft and make it two counts long. Now, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Now, for مخرج of circling lips for fatha open jaws. Kufra for dhamma of kaf, circle your lips. As you will touch fa, your lips should be in a straight position. You will give hums and rakhawa on fa, and then ra will be two counts long because mad awad is making it two counts long now, and ra will be heavy. Ra. Fa, give hums on fa for top on jaws. La, two counts long. Ta for fatha open jaws attached with hamza. Hamza will take sifaf shidda. There is no flow of sound. Ta, sa for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. A, ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Lal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifaf the wasut. Qaw, qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws attached with wow. And this is lean, wow lean, so make it soft and two counts long. Mil for kasra give E sound attached with lam. Lam gets it off the wasut. Ka, two counts long. Fi, give hums for kasra give E sound. Reen. Because of the work we are giving temporary sukun here, this temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel. It was two counts long before. Now it is four counts because of this temporary sukun. كافرين قل يا أهل الكتاب لستم على شيء حتى تقيموا التوراة والإنجيل وما أنزل إليكم وما أنزل إليكم من ربكم وليزيدن كثيرا منهم ما أنزل إليك من ربك طغيانا وكفرا فلا تأس على القوم الكافرين. In Hamza is very sharp. Focus give E sound attached with Noon. Noon will get super off. Gunna, this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Nel for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get super off. Tawassut. La fatha is short. The 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. A 2 counts long. Ma for fatha upon jaws. No for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Well, makhraj of waw, circling your lips, fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get super off. Tawassut. La for fatha upon jaws, the 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ha 2 counts long. Do for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Was for wow, circle ellipse, for fatha upon jaws attaches sod. Sod will get sifa off. Sifa off rakhawa, and it will be heavy. Was make it 2 counts long. B for kasra, keep E sound. U for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. Was for wow, circle lips attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wanna for fatha upon your jaws. Sa is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Ra is heavy and make it 2 counts long. Man for fatha upon jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut and ruling it with her. 2 counts long. Ma for fatha upon jaws. Na for fatha upon jaws. Bil for kasra, give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Bil la. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long. La. He for kasra, give E sound. And this lafz jalala is light because there is kasra before it. Billahi wal for makhraj of wow, circling your lips, fatha upon jaws, attach it, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Yaw, yeah is soft, and make it soft and 2 counts long because this is vowel. Mil for kasra, give E sound attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut. 2 counts long. Khi for kasra, give E sound. Ri for kasra, give E sound, make raw light. Wa makhraj of wow, circling your lips, for fatha upon jaws. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. So both these sounds should be one length. Wa mi for kasra, give E sound. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Sa 2 counts long. Li for kasra, give E sound. Ha for fatha upon your jaws, and then make ikhfa. This ikhfa is light because fa is among light letters. Fa, give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws. La 2 counts long. Khaw, this is lean, wow lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Fun, idhar, sifa, tawassut is sifa is tawassut and ruling is idhar. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Lay 2 counts long. This is yailin, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Him for kasra, give E sound attached with meme. We will get sifa of tawassut and ruling it with ha. For wow, circle your lips, for fatha upon jaws. La 2 counts long. Hum for the circle your lips attached with meme. We will get sifa of tawassut and ruling it with ha. Yeah. For fatha upon jaws attached with ha will get sifa of rakhawa and hams. Z for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Noon. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. So make it, this is what mad adad li sukoon is. إن الذين آمنوا والذين هادوا والصابئون والنصارى من آمن بالله واليوم الآخر وعمل صالحا فلا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون. لقد لام is short for fatah upon jaws. قد قاف is heavy for fatah upon jaws. Attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala, but keep dal light because we tend to make the next letter heavy too beside the heavy letter. So make qaf heavy but not dal. قد Hamza is very sharp. قد for fatah upon jaws attached with dal. As you will touch dal, your lips should be in a straight position and it has rakhawa, so there should be a flow of sound. قد make qa heavy but dal light. قدنا 2 counts long. Me 2 counts long. The 2 counts long. qa for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. B for the sound is short. Ni mad munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long. Is Hamza is very sharp, focus ragib E sound attached with seen. Seen will be light, it has a rakhawa and it has safin. Is ra. Ra is heavy. Whenever there is fatha on ra, it is heavy. Make it 4 counts long. This is mad muntasil wajib. E 2 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Wa makhraj for circling your lips for fatha open jaws. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut. And it is heavy because there is fatha before it. أو سل ففتح open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Na mad munfasil jaiz, so make it 4 counts long. E for kasra give E sound. Lay, this is yailin, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Him for kasra give E sound attached with meme. We will get sifa of tawassut and ruling it with her. Ru, ra is heavy for dhamma, circular lips. The sound is short. Su for dhamma, circular lips and make it soft, short. La mad, I was making it 2 counts long. Rusula, kul for dhamma. For dhamma, circular lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Kul la for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. Ja 4 counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. So you don't merge these two sounds together, but it should be very, very clearly heard. Ja hum. For the circular lips attached with me, we will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium slow flow of sound. Ra is heavy for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Su for the circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Lum for the circular lips attached with ba meme. This is tanween, and after tanween there is ba letter. So the ruling is iqlab here. رسول إقلاب with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose. Lumbi for kasra give E sound. Ma 2 counts long. La 2 counts long. Ta give ha rakhawa. Tahwa 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws. And make ikhfa. Ikhfa is light because fa is among light letters. Fu for the circular lips, give hums. Su for the circular lips and make it short. Hum for the circular lips attached with me. We will get sifa of tawassut and ruling it with her. Fa give hums on fa for fatha open jaws. Ri 2 counts long. Qaf is heavy and then this ikhfa is light. So yes. كد kaf is light at with dal. Zal will get sifa of rakhawa and hums كد for fatha upon jaws. Woo. Mm, for Dhamma, circular lips make it two counts long. Huwa, for wow, circular lips, for fatha open jaws. Id, fa, give hums on fa, give hums on fa for fatha open jaws. Idi, two counts long. Qai, qaf for make qaf heavy for fatha open jaws and then attach it. Yeah, this is idgham with gunna, so to keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Qayaq. Keep ya light for fatha open jaws attach it. Qaf is heavy and give qalqala, and qalqala is tabaut. يقتلون. For Dhamma, circle lips. Here you are circling your lips again because there is Dhamma again. And because of the waqf, you are giving sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. So this is madarid sukoon. And you are giving noon tawassut too because it is with sukoon now. لقد أخذنا ميثاق بني إسرائيل وأرسلنا إليهم رسلا كلما جاءهم رسول بما لا تهوى أنفسهم فريقا كذبوا وفريقا يقتلون سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته